Yes, this is time for most interesting quiz about countries and cities. First question. Which country has carcinogenic capital? A. Tripoli, capital city of Libya. B. Delhi, capital city of India. C. Beijing, capital city of China. D. Abuja, capital city of Nigeria. Radioactive element can damage our DNA and cause cancer. Check which city has radioactive element. Tripoli contain P and O, which is symbol of polonium. Polonium is one of the highly radioactive element. It can cause cancer. So answer is A, Libya. Next question. Which city catches fire with water? A. Baghdad, capital city of Iraq. B. Islamabad, capital city of Pakistan. C. Nairobi, capital city of Kenya. D. Riyadh, capital city of Saudi Arabia. Alkali metal sodium when contact with water catches fire immediately because it produces hydrogen gas and evolution of heat. The symbol of sodium is Na. Check which city has sodium Na. Option C, Nairobi. First letter N, second letter A, which is symbol of sodium. Next question. Which country produces the fake diamond? A. Botswana. B. South Africa. C. Russia. D. Yemen. Element yttrium used to produce fake diamond. The symbol of yttrium is Y. Check which country has symbol of yttrium Y. Option D, Yemen. First letter Y, which is symbol of yttrium. Yemen produced fake diamond because of yttrium. Next question. Which city has highest melting point? A. Berlin. B. New York. C. Addis Ababa. D. Mumbai. Metal tungsten has highest melting point on planet Earth. It melts at 3422 degrees Celsius. Symbol of tungsten is W. Check which city has tungsten W. Yes, New York contain W. Symbol of tungsten. So answer is B. Next question. Which country is known as semiconductor? A. Taiwan. B. South Korea. C. Hong Kong. D. Sierra Leone. Silicon, one of the semi-metal which is used for making semiconductor. The symbol of silicon is Si. Check which country has silicon, S and I. Yes, option D, Sierra Leone. First two letters, S and I, which is symbol of silicon. Next question. Which country is reddish brown in color? A. Nigeria. B. Cuba. C. Germany. D. Algeria. Copper metal reddish brown in color. Symbol of copper is Cu. Check which country has copper. Letter C and U. Yes, option B, Cuba. It contains copper. First two letters C and U. Next, which city can glow even in the dark? A. Pattaya. B. Las Vegas. C. Amsterdam. D. Oslo. Generally, phosphorus can glow even in dark condition due to slow combustion. The symbol of phosphorus is P. Check which city has phosphorus P. Yes, Pattaya from Thailand. The first letter is P. So answer is Pattaya. Next, which city people have strongest bones? A. Cape Town from South Africa. B. Moscow, capital city of Russia. D. Bern, capital city of Germany. D. Kampala, capital city of Uganda. Generally, calcium only determines the strength and structure of the bone. Symbol of calcium is C and A. Check which city has calcium. Yes, Cape Town. First two letters C and A. Answer is A. Next question. Which city people have more kidney related problems? A. Dhaka, capital city of Bangladesh. B. Abuja, capital city of Nigeria. C. Pyongyang, capital city of North Korea. D. Ulaanbaatar, capital city of Mongolia. Uranium will affect the kidney. Symbol of uranium is U. Check which city has uranium U. Yes, answer D. Ulaanbaatar. First letter is U. Next question. Which country is considered as golden country? A. South Africa, B. Libya, C. Australia, D. Switzerland. The symbol of gold is AU, which obtained from Latin word aurum. Check which country has symbol of gold AU. Yes, Australia. First two letters A and U, symbol of gold. Answer is C. Next question. Which city is known as Yellow City? Option A. Shanghai from China, B. Rome from Italy, C. Cairo from Egypt, D. Kathmandu from Nepal. Element sulfur yellow in color. The symbol of sulfur is S. Check which city has symbol of sulfur S. Option A. Shanghai. First letter S, which is symbol of sulfur, which is considered as yellow city. Next question. Which country produces most aircrafts? A. China, B. USA, C. Germany, D. Algeria. Aluminium is the most important metal to produce aircraft because it is lightweight, high tensile strength, corrosion free. The symbol of aluminium is Al. Check which country has symbol of aluminium Al. Yes, Algeria. First two letters A and L. So answer is Algeria. Next question. Which country people has highest number of CBD, chronic beryllium disease? A. Tibet, B. Bhutan, C. Bolivia, D. Belgium. Chronic beryllium disease occur due to fumes and vapor of beryllium. The symbol of beryllium is Be. Check which country has beryllium Be. Yes, option D, Belgium. First two letters B and E, which is symbol of beryllium. Next question. Which country is responsible for global warming? A. China, B. USA, C. India, D. Nigeria. Global warming due to emission of carbon dioxide gas. This carbon dioxide obtained from carbon. The symbol of carbon is C. Check which country has symbol of carbon C. Yes, China. First letter is C. Answer is A. Next question. Which country has highest number of blue baby syndrome? A. Ethiopia, B. Nigeria, C. Gambia, D. Liberia. Blue baby syndrome obtained due to water contaminated with nitrates. Nitrates obtained from nitrogen. Symbol of nitrogen is N. Check which country has nitrogen. Yes, option B, Nigeria. First letter N, which is symbol of nitrogen. Next question. Which city can float on air? A. Helsinki from Finland, B. Nairobi from Zimbabwe, C. Durban from South Africa, D. Seoul from South Korea. Helium lighter than air, that is why helium balloon float on air. The symbol of helium is He. Check which city has helium. Yes, option A, Helsinki from Finland. First two letters H and E, which is symbol of helium. Next question. Which country has lowest cancer rate in the world? A. Vatican, B. Bhutan, C. New Zealand, D. Congo. Cobalt-60 isotope can produce gamma ray. This gamma ray used for treatment of cancer. Check which country has cobalt. The symbol of cobalt is CO. Yes, Congo. First two letter of Congo is C and O, which is symbol of cobalt. Because of cobalt, Congo people do not have cancer. Next question. Which country has highest density? A. China, B. India, C. Bangladesh, D. Barbados. Osmium is the highest density metal on planet Earth. The symbol of osmium is OS. Check which country has element osmium. Option D. Barbados. OS. Answer is D. Next question. Which is the most expensive city in the world? A. Tel Aviv from Israel, B. Rwanda from UK, C. Paris from France, D. New York from USA. Metal rhodium is the highly expensive metal on planet Earth. The symbol of rhodium is RH. Check which city has symbol of rhodium RH. Yes, option B. Rwanda from UK. First two letters RH, which is symbol of rhodium. Next question. Which country people highly sensitive towards heat? A. Russia, B. Finland, C. Iceland, D. France. Metal francium will be the highly sensitive towards heat. It has very low melting point. It exists liquid even in room temperature. The symbol of francium is Fr. Check which country has symbol of francium Fr. Yes, option D. France, first two letters Fr, which is symbol of francium. Next question. Which city people will not affected by anemia? A. Fengguang from China, B. Tokyo from Japan, C. London from UK, D. Mumbai from India. Deficiency of iron will cause anemia. The symbol of iron is Fe. Check which city has symbol of iron Fe. Yes, Fengguang from China. First two letters F and E, symbol of iron. Fengguang people do not affected by anemia because they have sufficient number of iron. Next question. Which country is a vulcanizer? A. China, B. Malaysia, C. Sweden, D. Brazil. Sulfur used for strengthening natural rubber. This process is called as vulcanization. So sulfur is called as vulcanizer. The symbol of sulfur is S. Check which country has symbol of sulfur S. Option C. Sweden. First letter S, which is symbol of sulfur. Next question. Which is the most radioactive city in the world? A. Ramsar from Iran, B. Fukushima from Japan, C. Johannesburg from South Africa, D. Kandahar from Afghanistan. Radium is the one of the highly radioactive element on planet Earth. The symbol of radium is Ra. Check which city has radioactive radium Ra. Option A. Ramsar from Iran. First two letters R and A, which is symbol of radium. Next question. Which country people has more number of breathing problems? A. India, B. Brazil, C. China, D. USA. Bromine vapor cause severe breathing problem. The symbol of bromine is Br. Check which country has symbol of bromine Br. Option B. Brazil. First two letters B and R, which is symbol of bromine. So Brazil people affected by breathing problem because of bromine. Next question is, which country is lowest density in the world? A. Mali, B. Norway, C. Oman, D. Congo. Element lithium is the lowest density on planet Earth. It has 0.53 gram per centimeter cube. The symbol of lithium is L and I. Check which country has symbol of lithium Li. Option A. Mali. It contains Li, symbol of lithium. Next question. Which country synthesizes more amount of proteins? A. Brazil, B. India, C. China, D. Nepal. Nitrogen is the one of the main ingredient to synthesize protein. Without nitrogen, protein cannot synthesize. The symbol of nitrogen is N. Check which country has symbol of nitrogen N. Option D, Nepal. First letter N, which is symbol of nitrogen. Next question, which city is known as fluorescent city? A. Sydney from Australia. B. Los Angeles from USA. C. Geneva from Switzerland. D. Amsterdam from Netherlands. Neon can absorb and emit the light. This process is called as fluorescent. The symbol of neon is N and E. Check which cities having symbol of neon Ne. Option A, Sydney contain N and E, which is symbol of neon. C, Geneva also contain symbol of neon N and E. So Sydney and Geneva considered as fluorescent cities. Next question is, which city is highly toxic in nature? A, Shanghai from China. B, Mumbai from India. C, Dhaka from Bangladesh. D, Ashgabat from Turkmenistan. Arsenic is the one of the highly toxic element on planet Earth. The symbol of arsenic is AS. Check which city has symbol of arsenic AS. Option D, Ashgabat, first two letters A and S. Next question, which country has more blockchain technology? A, China. B, Japan. C, USA. D, Germany. One of the unique ability of carbon can make long and branched chain compound is called as catenation. The symbol of carbon is C. Check which country has symbol of carbon C. Option A, China. First letter of China is C, which is symbol of carbon. Next question, which country recorded more number of fire accident? Cairo from Egypt. B, Cape Town from South Africa. C, Hanoi from Vietnam. D, Jaipur from India. Liquid hydrogen fuel always stored in the cryogenic temperature, or else it catch fire immediately. The symbol of hydrogen is H. Check which city has symbol of hydrogen H. Hanoi from Vietnam. Next question is, which country is known as artificial country? A, United States of America. B, Israel. C, Australia. D, New Zealand. Americium is the one of the artificial radioactive element. The symbol of americium is Am. Check which country has symbol of americium Am. Option A, United States of America. It has symbol of americium Am. Next question, which is longest country in the world? A, Russia. B, Canada. C, USA. D, Australia. Gold is the one of the most ductile metal on the planet Earth. 1 gram gold can be converted into 2 kilometer wire. The symbol of gold is AU. Check which country has symbol of gold AU. Option D, Australia. First two letters A and U, which is symbol of gold. Because of gold, Australia is the longest country in the world. Next question, which country has more number of hyperthyroidism? A, India. B, Uganda. C, Bangladesh. D, Portugal. Deficiency of iodine will cause hypothyroidism. Excess of iodine will cause hyperthyroidism. India has 2 iodine, which is considered as excess of iodine. So excess of iodine responsible for India has hyperthyroidism. Next question is, which country does not affected by acid rain? A, Israel. B, Italy. C, Austria. D, Iceland. Gold will not affected even in concentrated acid. The symbol of gold is AU. Check which country has symbol of gold AU. Option C, Austria. First two letters A and U, which is symbol of gold. Next question, which country has more number of nuclear weapons? A. Russia, B. China, C. USA, D. India. Most of the nuclear fission atom bomb made from uranium-235. The symbol of uranium is U. Check which country has uranium U. A. Russia contain uranium U. C. USA also contain uranium U. Both Russia and USA has more number of nuclear weapons. Next question, which city is known as a golden city? A. London from UK, B. New York from USA, C. Tokyo from Japan, D. Aichi from Nigeria. The symbol of gold is AU. It obtained from Aram, Latin word. Check which city has symbol of gold AU. Option D, Aichi from Nigeria. First two letters A and U, which is symbol of gold. Next question is, which country produce more amount of computer chips? A. Taiwan, B. South Korea, C. India, D. Singapore. Silicon used to produce integrated computer chips. The symbol of silicon is Si. Check which country has symbol of silicon Si. Option D, Singapore. First two letters S and I, which is symbol of silicon. Next question, which country has highest number of nuclear submarines? A. USA, B. India, C. China, D. France. In nuclear submarine, uranium-235 and uranium-238 used as a fuel. The symbol of uranium is U. Check which country has symbol of uranium U. Option A, USA. First letter U, which is symbol of uranium. So USA has more number of nuclear submarines. Next question, which country has more amount of uranium deposits? A. India, B. Brazil, C. China, D. South Sudan. The ore of uranium is pitch blende. It contains more amount of uranium. The symbol of uranium is U. Check which country has more number of uranium, symbol U. Option D, South Sudan. It contains 2 uranium U. So South Sudan has more number of uranium deposits. Next question is, which African country can float on water? A. Mauritius, B. Cameroon, C. Kenya, D. Ghana. When calcium reacts with water, it produces hydrogen gases. These hydrogen bubbles stick on the surface of the calcium, so calcium will be float on water. The symbol of calcium is Ca. Check which country has symbol of calcium Ca. Option B, Cameroon. First two letters C and A, which is symbol of calcium. Because of calcium, Cameroon can float on water. Next question, which country produces more number of solar cells? A. China, B. Germany, C. USA, D. Sierra Leone. Silicon is one of the main elements to produce solar cells. The symbol of silicon is Si. Check which country has symbol of silicon Si. Option D, Sierra Leone. First two letters S and I. Next question, which country people have more cognitive power? A. USA, B. Japan, C. India, D. Israel. Iodine will responsible for cognitive function of the brain. Symbol of iodine is I. Check which country has symbol of iodine I. Option C, India. Option D, Israel. Both the country people have more cognitive power because of iodine. Next question is, which country produce more amount of paints and varnish? A. Japan, B. South Korea, C. China, D. Bangladesh. High quality barium sulfate crystal, one of the key ingredients to produce paints and varnish. Symbol of barium is B and A. Check which country has symbol of barium. Option D, Bangladesh. First two letters B and A, which is symbol of barium. Next question, which is the most radioactive country in the world? A, Ukraine, B, Japan, C, India, D, Poland. Polonium is one of the highly radioactive element on planet Earth. The symbol of polonium is P and O. Check which country has symbol of polonium. Option D, Poland. First two letters P and O, which is symbol of polonium. Poland is a highly radioactive element because of polonium. Next question, which countries do not have nuclear power plants? A, Botswana, B, Bolivia, C, Bhutan, D, Bangladesh. Boron is one of the key neutron absorber. It absorbs the neutron and shut down the nuclear reactor. During nuclear fission reaction, boron absorbs a neutron and shut down the nuclear reactor. Boron does not allow nuclear reaction takes place. Symbol of boron is B. Check which country has symbol of boron B. All the four countries, Botswana, Bolivia, Bhutan, Bangladesh, contain boron. Because of boron, these countries do not have nuclear power plants. Next question is, in which country food will not get spoiled for long time? A, Norway, B, Algeria, C, France, D, Cameroon. In food packets, oxygen will be replaced by nitrogen. Like oxygen, nitrogen do not react with food. It do not allow the food get oxidized. The symbol of nitrogen is N. Check which country has symbol of nitrogen N. Option A, Norway. First letter N, which is symbol of nitrogen. Next question, which country produces more amount of transistors and integrated circuits? A, China, B, South Korea, C, Germany, D, Japan. Germanium semiconductor used to produce transistor and integrated circuits. The symbol of germanium is Ge. Check which country has symbol of germanium. Option C, Germany. First two letters G and E. Next question, which country is also known as brimstone? A, Switzerland, B, Ghana, C, Tanzania, D, North Korea. The ancient name of sulfur is brimstone or burning stone. The symbol of sulfur is S. Check which country has symbol of sulfur S. Option A, Switzerland. Next question is, which country people do not have distraction? A, China, B, Bhutan, C, Russia, D, New Zealand. Small amount of boron intake, 0.2 milligram per day, it control our distraction. The symbol of boron is B. Check which country has symbol of boron B. Option B, Bhutan. First letter B, which is symbol of boron. Next question, which country is also known as lime? A, Cameroon, B, Egypt, C, Colombia, D, Brazil. Calcium also known as lime. The symbol of calcium is Ca. Check which country has symbol of calcium Ca. Option B, A, Cameroon. First two letters C and A, symbol of calcium. Next question, which is highly protective country in the world? A, Switzerland, B, USA, C, Niger, D, Russia. Metal nickel used to make armor plates. This armor plate can protect from us enemies. So symbol of nickel is Ni. Check which country has symbol of nickel Ni. Option C, Niger. First two letters N and I, which is symbol of nickel. Next question is, which country is known as critical country? A. North Korea, B. Timor Leste, C. Somalia, D. Sudan. Element titanium is one of the critical metal. The symbol of titanium is Ti. Check which country has symbol of titanium Ti. Option B. Timor Leste. First two letters T and I, which is symbol of titanium. Next question. Which country does not have parasitic diseases? A. USA, B. UK, C. Russia, D. China. Ruthenium complex active against wide range of parasitic diseases. The symbol of ruthenium is Ru. Check which country has symbol of ruthenium Ru. Option C. Russia. First two letters R and U, which is symbol of ruthenium. Next question. Which city is known as frictionless city? A. London, B. New York, C. Rome, D. Moscow. Molybdenum sulfate acts as a dry lubricant. The symbol of molybdenum is Mo. Check which city has symbol of molybdenum Mo. Option D. Moscow. First two letters M and O, which is symbol of Moscow. Next question is, which country is known as power bank of Africa? A. Algeria, B. Nigeria, C. Uganda, D. Libya. Lithium ion used to produce rechargeable batteries. The symbol of lithium is L and I. Check which country has symbol of lithium. Option D. Libya. First two letters L and I, which is symbol of lithium. Next question. Which country is diabetic free? A. Croatia, B. Nepal, C. Tanzania, D. Bhutan. Chromium is one of the essential mineral to maintain insulin. The symbol of chromium is Cr. Check which country has symbol of chromium. Option A. Croatia. First two letters C and R, which is symbol of chromium. Next question is, which country has the very less blood men? A. Singapore, B. Senegal, C. Vietnam, D. Pakistan. Selenium disulfide control the hair loss. The symbol of selenium is Se. Check which country has symbol of selenium S and E. Option B. Senegal. First two letters S and E, which is symbol of selenium. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.